Hello Gemini, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for July the 21st to July the 23rd reading. So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. So kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions sa kabilang channel po, that is Pabaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience din. Pero pag hindi nyo po naabutan ng ating live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section. As long as the question is answerable by yes or no. No? So, Gemini, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na tayo. No? So, parang ngayon, Gemini, itong inaantay, madami tayong inaantay whether it is for ourselves or for yung ginagawa natin for others na magkaroon siya ng result, no? I feel like kung ano man itong inaantay nyo, no? Especially, sabihin natin, unahin ko na muna itong hindi nakapagpatawad, no? Ayan. Gems, kasi ibang magalit din si Gemini. Pag nagalit si Gemini, kaya kanyang burahin sa mundo nang hindi kanya kumbaga kaya kanya burahin sa mundo niya no, na walang ginagawa sa iyo, no. I feel like there's someone who wants to ask an apology, maybe for a second chance, maybe for old time's sake. I feel like there's someone here na hindi mo mapapatawad. I just need to butt that in. Kasi yun po yung parang strong yung energy na nagpapakita. But then again, dun sa mga may inaantay, yes, meron tayong mga pagkakamali sa mga procedures, sa mga decision makings natin sa buhay. That's okay. It's actually part of life. It doesn't mean that things didn't happen, no? On the moment na ginagawa natin yung mga bagay or wini-wish nating mag-manifest sa buhay natin, it doesn't mean that you don't deserve it. I feel like there is a time, the divine timing that we usually say, it's actually gonna manifest. I'm also feeling with the Prince of Wands, the Fool card, the Queen of Pentacles, Four of Swords, and the High Priestess. I feel like you're, sabihin nating, balancing everything. Medyo napanghihinaan tayo ng loob. Medyo nasasabi natin sa sarili natin, Gemini, sumuko ka na kasi hindi naman siguro na masama yung ginawa mo, no? You've exerted effort, you did everything that you can, no? And I think it's time for you to give up, no? Pero kasi habang nakakapag-isip si Gemini ng solution or resolution, hindi siya titigil eh. Meron lang ngayon na sinasabi nating medyo gusto mong gawin, no? Whether, again, this is to yourself, for other people, family, for your loved ones, friends, for your partner, no? Pero parang sinasabi mo, kailangan ko pa bang pagkatiwalaan yung sarili ko kasi with all these failures? Yes, you should. You have been brave enough for quite a long time. Katulad na sabi ko, there may be some struggles, challenges, but it doesn't mean you're not gonna get it. I think what you need to do here is to go back to why are you doing it? Why in the first place, why does your mind, or why did you place your mind into something that you know you can't? You know deep in your heart that you can. But because of the failures, I feel like medyo pinanghinaan tayo. 'Di ba? What all you have to do with the full card in here is to either to I mean to take the first step. Sabi nga ni Martin Luther King, no, you don't have to see the whole staircase. All you just have to do is to take a single step. You won't know, no, or probably won't gonna notice that you're already on the destination, diba? Um, with the Queen of Pentacles, it might be something that you wanted to invest in, whether it is monetary wise, business, whether it is your emotion to this person. I feel like there are several people that you probably blocked in your life. No, parang sinabi mo dito, Gemini, na ay, ayoko ng pagkatiwalaan uli yan. No, kasi this person already break my trust. I think that's actually good, when you're setting your walls. Um, there's also something that we called, as long as the person breathes, um, the person deserves a chance, to change. Even as ourselves, nagkakamali din tayo sa buhay. Placing our feet on their shoes, you know, if you, you won't going to ask for forgiveness, and especially to go back to someone else's life unless ganun na lang kakademonyo or ganun kakapal yung mukha mo, no? Para paulit-ulit saktan yung tao. And mafe-feel mo naman yun. Parang, you're not gonna be able to do that kung tao talaga ang turing mo, no? To ask for a chance if you're not, if you don't have this intention of changing. Di ba ang sabi nga nila, if the person asks for an apology and there's no changes made, that's actually manipulation. But if you're seeing a promise and a change, or the person is willing to change, I think that person deserves a second chance. With the Eight of Wands, the King of Wands, Six of Wands, the Five of Wands, the Two of Pentacles. Pero hindi naman kita masisisi if you're gonna juggle, no? Katulad ng sabi ko, meron parang tao dito na would want to ask for an apology. The Two of Pentacles is clarified by adjustments or judgment, and the Six of Cups. Sobrang missed ka nitong taong to. I feel like because of this separation, this person understood how important you are in their life, how important the connection, how valuable you are right now. Um, I feel like I feel the genuinity, of this person. I feel the transparency, the sincerity, the deep emotion of love from this person. But then again, that's just my 2 cents because the card is telling me to give this person a chance because there might be something that you are about to receive or experience. No, especially when you ask this person either to do it for you, to offer this for you. It's still your life, no? Do whatever what rocks your boat. But this reading is just a guidance for me to probably be a medium. Oy cross watchers ha. Pag nagkabalikan kayo ni Gemini ha, may porsyento ako dyan. Ayan. I'm not rooting for them, kasi nagawan ka ng masama. What I am telling here, Gemini, is there's something that you actually prayed for, asked for, wished for, requested, or even demand that this person is about to give. You don't miss the opportunity. So let's check, the emotion of this person, or it could be your emotion too. My love for you is stronger than ever. What did I just say? No, Chance, I think that this person is now truly appreciating, the chance in you. And our path will always reunite. I feel like this person truly understand that babalikan ka niya, no? That this connection is not gonna end. Um I think that prior you separated, I feel like this person already made a decision of babalikan ko tong si Gemini um once I straighten things out, no? So let's see, Gems. The zodiac sign of this person. Now, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Pisces, Libra, Taurus, Leo, uh, no, Aries, Virgo, yan. Yep, so this is your reading, Gems. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yun. At meron po mga readings doon. You might want to check on it. And Gemini, kung di nyo maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, no, sa description box po, nandun po yung ating link. All you have to do is to either click the link or copy the link. You're gonna be routed to my website. So, nandun po yung ibaba nyo lang po ng konti. No? Ibaba nyo hanggang pinakababa, no, yung information. Kasi nasa top yung mga fake accounts. Mamaya natin di-discuss yan. So, nandun po yung question form, how much per question, no? Nandun po yung QR code, the number. Doon lang po ako mag-transact. And I also created a promotion of 4 questions plus 1, so take advantage of it. And if you also want to book a personal reading or private reading, nandun din po yan sa description box, no? So, tuloy pa rin ang ating manhunt. Nasa description box po yung fake accounts na pwede nyo i-report. We're doing good. Nandun din po yung email na kung saan nyo siya isi-send para po, dun po ako pipili once na supil na stop na natin, no? Itong mga fake accounts na ito. So, Gems, again, thank you for your time. Thank you for your patience. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.